Hello guys, use smartphone Huawei P Smart 2021 version 4GB RAM memory and 128GB internal memory in the green color device. Okay, look complementation. In complementation we have key for SIM slot, adapter for charging, USB Type-C cable and headphones. Good complementation. And talk about device. 6.7-inch display, almost 6.7-inch display. On this side, slot for 2 SIM card and micro SD card for memory. On the right side, power key and volume keys, power key with fingerprint scanner. Downside, USB Type-C port, speaker, microphone and headphones jack. Back side, quad camera, LED. On this side, microphone. Okay. Turn on device. IPS display, full HD resolution. Open settings, look about phone. Android 10 version UMI 10.1.1. Close this and run look benchmarks. Processor CPU high silicon Kirin 710A, GPU Mali G51. Okay, these results on total benchmark. Okay, close this and open Asphalt 8, Asphalt 9. Let's play. Game load and works very good. Okay, close this and open camera. We have a main camera, quad camera, 48 plus 8 plus 2 plus 2 megapixels, and now I show you photos on the main camera. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.